What's up guys, Mick here. I wanted to show you a little upgrade I got from Australia for the G8. Well, there she is. So these are for the Commodore, the Holden Commodore SSV. So that's these, and I know you can guess what they are. Yeah, they're the little trims that go down on your Sill when you open your door. So that's the stock one, pretty crappy. Of course, that's the Commodore one. And then the rear one's just like, real big. So very nice. Let's have a look at the stock ones on, and then the new ones on. So obviously the stock one. Let's check out the rear. Little baby one. So let's go around and check out what the new ones look like. Got some brake clean on here, so I stripped off the black stuff, so I've got to put some new stuff on. But anyway, look at that, that's much better. And the front one. So there you have it. Quick little upgrade, like I said, from Australia. I found them on eBay. They were only like 50 or 60 bucks, something like that. But yeah, do yourself a favor and get on eBay and get yourself a set if you want to upgrade your G8 to the SS ones from Holden Commodore. If you like the channel, give me a like. If you like it a lot, subscribe. And that's going to be about it today. Peace out, guys.